Do you want your iPhone to flash when you get a text or call? This handy feature is perfect for staying notified in noisy places or if you prefer visual alerts. Here's a simple guide to enable flash alerts on your iPhone. Solution 1. Enable LED flash for alerts. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Accessibility. Scroll down again under the Hearing section. Tap Audio Visual. Scroll down and find LED flash for alerts. Toggle the switch to turn it on. This will enable your iPhone's LED flash to blink when you receive a text message, call, or other notifications. Here you can see flash when unlocked and flash in silent mode. If you want to use these features, you can use it too from here. Additional tips. Test the feature. After enabling, try sending a text message or call yourself to make sure the LED flash is working as expected. Battery consideration. Keep in mind that frequent use of LED flash can affect battery life. Adjust settings as needed based on your usage. This is how you can set up your iPhone to flash when you receive a call or text. This is a great feature if you need a visual alert. If you have any questions or need help with anything, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.